Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to connect Shopify to your Wix website. First, head into the Wix editor or dashboard. Go to the app market, here add apps. After that, search for apps like use the search bar and type in Shopify here. After that, click on this. After scrolling down, you can see all the apps here and Shopify is also here. Now click add to site here and follow the prompts to connect your Shopify account. Here are the details. You have to complete it. Once connected, you will be able to copy or import products directly from your Shopify store. Back in Wix, paste your Shopify product URL and click load products here. You can import one or all products from your store. You can now customize how the products appear on your Wix site. It's fast and easy and works with live Shopify updates. And that's it. Your Shopify products are now linked to your Wix website. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. See you in the next one.